The car sector has long relied on huge factory robots to assist in the production of cars. A new line of humanoid robots is now marching into factories, and with it is enhanced automation and efficiency. Mercedes-Benz is the latest carmaker to jump into the new technology, recently commencing a trial at one of its factories in Germany. Job loss anxiety always accompanies robotic innovations, yet Mercedes-Benz employees are not at risk currently. New robots to enter the firm are Apptronic's Apollo robots, and they are from an American firm that was founded in 2016 at the University of Texas Human-Centered Robotics Lab. Mercedes-Benz has made investments of tens of millions of dollars in the firm and is already utilizing Apollo robots at the Berlin Marienfelde factory. These robots are currently doing internal logistics, with attention on repetitive work like bringing parts to the production line. Parts are still installed and fitted by skilled technicians onto cars, but with the aid of Apollo robots that perform preliminary quality checks. What is evident in this rollout is incremental robotics introduction to factory work, but not wholesale takeover. An interesting aspect of this revolution is the manner in which Mercedes-Benz employees have assisted in the training of such robots. Teleoperation and virtual reality have helped employees facilitate learning and independent working for Apollo robots with little requirement for supervision. Apollo robots also possess a feature of self-charging, allowing them to autonomously charge without human assistance. The Mercedes-Benz Digital Factory Campus is also being aided by artificial intelligence with its digital factory chatbot ecosystem. The platform enables staff to query production databases and provides tips on best practice production and machine maintenance. Mercedes-Benz's foray into humanoid robots is not an isolated action. Tesla is in the process of creating its own humanoid robot. BMW displayed cutting-edge robots at its South Carolina plant in 2023, and Dongfeng Motors also revealed an AI-powered robot in 2024 to be utilized in inspection and logistics. The growing presence of robotic systems across the industry is a sign of a new era for car making, as the stage is set for sophisticated and streamlined manufacturing processes. Apart from being efficient, humanoid robots also provide a sustainable solution to the labor shortage in manufacturing. The automobile industry has an acute issue recruiting skilled labor, and automation is a way of maintaining production with lower reliance on human labor for repetitive and physically stressful tasks. The Apollo robots, for example, are utilized to execute repetitive motion that, in the long term, hurts or harms workers. This allows for human workers to focus on more abstract problem-solving and craftsmanship, boosting the overall production quality. Humanoid robots like Apollo are also being constructed that can collaborate with humans in safety. As opposed to traditional industrial robots, which are typically cordoned off in their own separate workspaces for safety purposes, humanoid robots are designed with advanced sensors and AI-based software that enables them to navigate factory floors without harming their human coworkers. The synergy enables seamless transition to more automated production. The application of humanoid robots is not confined to inspection and logistics. With developments in robotics and AI technology, the machines can, in the short term, be able to undertake even more sophisticated tasks, such as assisting in precision assembly or even quality control in real time. Through incorporating machine learning, such robots are able to detect defects, propose improvements, and automate the overall manufacturing process. Top automobile manufacturers globally are now seeing the future of automation and robotics driven by artificial intelligence in revolutionizing the business. Honda and Ford are also experimenting with artificial intelligence-driven systems to optimize production. The competition to build and implement the most advanced robotic workforce is fast heating up, with each automobile manufacturer attempting to achieve the perfect equilibrium between automation and human talent. With the technology maturing, the price of using humanoid robots has to decline so that they can be afforded by medium and even small-sized producers. This may well create a broader shift in the industry where robotics is among the cost-saving, consistency-gaining, and speed-enhancing trinity of manufacturing. While fears about losing jobs will never subside, History instructs us that technological advancement is typically followed by the creation of new industries and opportunities unimaginable in the past. In the future, the application of humanoid robots in manufacturing can only increase. Businesses can look to the current application of Apollo robots by Mercedes-Benz as a precursor to how human labor and AI-driven automation can be harmonized. As businesses continue to evolve, the collaboration of robotics and AI will change the automaker factory floor, putting the industry in a new era of smarter, safer, and more productive manufacturing. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe for more updates. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.